Licknriffers, before we blow the roof completely off your perception of blues turnarounds and make you a master in blues turnarounds neck wide, okay, let me show you that this works exactly the same on acoustic. So now let's turn around to the, I'm a master at humor as well. Write me if you want to be a clown. And let me show you exactly what I'm doing, okay? This is in the key of A. You can then, when you understand how this works, you can transpose it into any key, okay? Because this is so simple, okay? It's so simple. This is basically a series of A chords leading into A chords chromatically. And if you're wondering what I mean by a series of A chords, just take a look. We have A over here, okay? We have A over here. We have A over here, okay? Bar on 9, C shape. Okay, these are all A chords. And basically, all we're doing is just connecting them chromatically. So we start at 12 and 12 on strings 1 and 3. Okay, and I'm not using tabs on purpose in this lesson because once you see it, you can't unsee it. And I want you to see it, not memorize it. I want you to see it on the fretboard. Okay, so 12 and 12 basically are an octave above 0 and 0 inside A7. When you play A7, you have the open first string, you have the open third string, right? So 0 and 0, an octave above 12 and 12, right? So take this 3 frets down to 9. What do you get? You get 9 and 9, right? Which is inside this A chord. Okay, so this is the first turnaround. Now the second one leads us into the next A chord. So you do 9 and 9, 8 and 8, 7 and 7. Then we have 5 and 6, right? Out of this chord. So 5 and 6. So now we can't go 3 frets down per se, okay? We can, but usually I prefer to just go 2 frets down from here because then I get the A7 sound. Okay, this is A7. So now I'm playing A7. If I go to the next note, which is 2 and 2, I get A6. Okay, this is the only exception, basically. We have 5 and 6, down 2 frets. Okay, now we have A7. But if we go to 2 and 2, we get A6. Okay? But then, look what happens. We have 2, 1, 0, right? Back to 0 and 0, back to A7. Okay? This is the exception here, where it doesn't connect into a direct A chord. Okay? It has an A6 in the middle, but this is A, leading us back to A7. So this is kind of a longer turnaround, which you can break into 2. Okay? Now we have 0 and 0, right? So we go to the next set of strings and we have 5 and 5 on strings 2 and 4, which are the same notes. Same notes, 5 and 5 on strings 2 and 4. And I hope you can see where this is going, because if you can't, rewind the video and watch again, because now we're gonna go to the basic A chord, because 5 down to the to the next turnaround, which is 3 frets down, 5, 4, 3, 2. We land on 2. Okay? Which is an octave from here. Exactly the same. Now, you might have noticed that I like to slide into the last note. Okay, from below. Okay, you can even make it 2 notes. Okay? And then our next one goes to 0, so we have 2, 1, 0. And then we have this. Okay, 2 on the 3rd, 4 on the 5th. And this is also A. This is A major. It's the G shape. Okay, it's the G shape. So again, we're on A. Okay? And then we can go even further down. We take this 2 frets down and I pull off to 0 on the bass, and then we have an extra turnaround, which is this one. Okay? Which is different than the rest of them. Okay, I'm playing the bass note and the 3rd of the chord, 2 on the 2nd string. And then, instead of 2 and 0, I play 3 and 2, and then 4 and 3, and then 5 and 4. Now I can stop here. This is again the G shape. I can play the bass, or I can play E, because A over E is a legitimate chord. And I get a real deep blues chord. Okay, or I can go back down. Now let's count this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 turnarounds. Now comes the fun part. You can play them backwards as well. You don't have to go down. You can go up. So now you actually have 16 turnarounds. Just like this one. Remember, it's A to A. You don't have to do it one way. Okay. Turnarounds work in both directions, and you can also use them as solos as well. Remember, you can use them inside your soloing. Okay, or see, and you can even be overt about it. By the way, you can start. Yeah, you can start a solo really low, go high up, and use a turnaround to go even higher. Okay? You can use turnarounds in so many creative ways. And as always, this is just the tip of the iceberg. So let me invite you to this week's masterclass, this week's From Amateur to Awesome broadcasts. So I hope to see you there. Save your spot. The link is below in the description. And seats in the live stream are limited, okay, to about 50 people. So click the link and save your spot right now. I'll see you in the live masterclass. Okay, leave me your comments, leave me your questions. Let me know what you want me to teach you next and what you want to see in the masterclass. And come by, say hello, and let's make you the amazing guitar players that you know you can be. All right, so see you there, and I'll see you the next lesson. Bye for now. Enjoy.